Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up for the most amazing Python code you've ever laid your eyes on. Get ready to be impressed by the art of the Python deal. Forget about Hello World. We're going to make it great by writing Hello America in Python. As you can see from the code, it's extremely easy. Now that that's done, let's move on to the real lessons. Let me tell you, folks, there's a lot of talk about data types, and I know more about data types than anyone. Believe me, we have integers. They're tremendous, big numbers, really great. And then we have floats. They're like integers, but with a decimal point, okay? And strings, let me tell you, strings are tremendous. They're really amazing. They're like a bunch of characters that you can put together to make a sentence. It's unbelievable. And then we have Booleans. They're either true or false. It's that simple. It's that beautiful. Now let's talk about operations. When you have two numbers, you can add them, subtract them, multiply them, divide them, and even raise them to a power. It's really incredible. And when you have strings, you can concatenate them. That means putting them together like a puzzle, and it's really something else. And Booleans, you can do logical operations with them, like and, or, and not. It's all very simple, but let me tell you, it's important to understand these things if you want to be a great programmer. Let me explain this code to you, the Trump way. This code is all about numbers, words, and how great I am, obviously. First, we're talking about integers. I have a beautiful Trump Tower with 58 floors, and my Mar-a-Lago estate has 126 rooms. We add them together to get the total number of properties, 184. Next, we've got some floating point numbers representing my huge net worth of $10.1 billion and Ivanka's net worth of $300 million. We combine our net worths and get an even more impressive number, $10.4 billion. I, the best businessman ever, have an astonishing net worth of $10 billion, and that's represented by the variable Trump underscore net underscore worth. It's written this way in scientific notation because scientific notation is just another way to show off bigly numbers. And my beautiful daughter Ivanka, she's also doing great, with a net worth of $300 million stored in the Ivanka underscore net underscore worth variable. Now let's talk about approval ratings. I have an incredible 99.9% approval rate, which is, of course, the highest ever. That's a float, too. We store that fantastic number in the approval underscore rate variable. This code is just a simple and elegant way to showcase our amazing success, believe me. What we're doing is combining the tremendous net worth of yours truly, Donald Trump, with that of my fantastic daughter, Ivanka. It's a simple addition operation, adding Trump underscore net underscore worth and Ivanka underscore net underscore worth together. We store the result in a new variable called combined underscore net underscore worth, and then we're printing out this magnificent number for the world to see. Using the print function, we show the text combined net worth, followed by the value of combined underscore net underscore worth. It's a terrific way to showcase the outstanding success of the Trump family, believe me. Now, we're dealing with strings. I'm the best at quotes, so we create a message with my famous quote and Twitter handle. The result is a beautiful message telling everyone to follow me on Twitter. We've got some Booleans here, too. I was the president, and I wasn't successfully impeached. So we check if I had a successful presidency, and of course it's true. Then we compare the heights of the amazing Trump Tower and the White House. Trump Tower has 58 floors, while the White House has only 2. We add them together and we get a total height of 60. My approval rating is the highest ever, 99.9%. We compare it to some other guy's rating of 0.1%. The difference is huge, 99.8%. We repeat my fantastic slogan, Make America Great Again, 3 times because it's just that great. Lastly, we've got some more Booleans. I won the election and the other guy didn't. We checked the real election result, and it's true, folks. That's the code. It's all about me, numbers, and the truth. You may also be wondering what those little messages are for, those that start with a hash or pound sign. Well, these are comments necessary for making my code as readable as possible. Usually such little pieces of code are unnecessary to comment, but today I'm feeling especially generous. So we've got integers representing my amazing properties, floats for our incredible net worth, strings to spread my great words, and Booleans to show off my successful presidency. Nobody does it better than me, and remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more. And check out the next lesson in this Python tutorial series.